Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we have a lot of snow that we're going to show you guys today. Like, if I'm looking rough, it's because we just came back inside from round one of clearing snow. Like, we had a snow warning yesterday that we're going to get snow for like the next 2-3 days, and we didn't think it would. I mean, we've had snow coming before that we had to clear a lot, but this one is quite a lot of snow, and everyone is outside tackling their driveways. So yeah, I'm going to show you some of that and how it's going and how we're tackling it today, because it's getting to that point that we need to buy this snow blower because this shovel is breaking backs. Well, anyways, if you are a regular here, like, how are you guys doing? I miss you guys. I know I haven't dropped a video in a while. How's everyone doing? And if you're new, please don't forget to subscribe. I hope you like this video. I hope you like our channel. We want to welcome you so that you stay. But yeah, today we're just going to be showing you what we're tackling outside. And you know, my arms are already killing me, so I'm taking a break because the more we're shoveling, the more the snow is just pouring down. But it's best to tackle as you go because you don't want it to get even higher, and it's even harder to shovel this stuff. And because there's so much snow, there's like nowhere to even pack all this stuff too. So like, even like the pathway, like the walkway, pavement or whatever area is where we're even piling it onto now, because there's nowhere else. The pile is like getting taller than us, so we have nowhere else to start putting it on the pavement, the walkway, so that their own machine will come and clear that one as it normally does. But we'll try and reduce it a bit now because it's really blocked up. But yeah, you guys will see what we're talking about. And we need to start looking for some snow blowers. So check it out. This is how deep this thing is in this, just the front porch. Guys, this is absolutely bloody madness. Change, yeah? Get some videos so let me get something to post. Woo! That's an insane Barrie. Barrie's so mad. Woo! Guys, like, I'm trying to lose my fingers on this hand and we haven't even started. My hands are freezing. Oh. Guys, like, we'll get back to you in a little bit. So I just came back inside. I went back out again to clear a little bit. Some snow came. I see some snow. Sun came out, so it's a bit warmer. So I said, let me just go and clear, shovel a little bit more. Let me show you guys what I do. See how my face is looking, bruh. So yeah, I've cleared like the front area. As you can see, it's melted there and the sun is helping. And I, you know, went a bit forward. I cleared this one again, but small is starting to build up again. And these people are still tackling their car here that's been stuck. Oof, guys. So the best thing about this thing, the best way to go is just to keep on it and like just keep tackling the matter, because like the more it like builds up, it just gets worse and harder for you to even clear it. Oof. Oh yeah, let's go, Ellie. Let's go. No, we're not coming back down, Ellie. We're going up. Oh, yeah. Good girl. Let's go, Ellie. Yay! Morning, guys. This is day 2. We out again. We're going out again. Show you guys where we go to. Nana's already started clearing steps. And we did all this yesterday, but we just got a little bit of snow. Not too much though. Look at it, just a little bit. I'm gonna clear it from the pathway. Finally got cleared because if you guys remember, this is where we were piling everything. Look how high it is. Bruh. It's a lot. And then it spits it out all on the side, so we just threw some more out here, which we're gonna clear off now. Back here is this. It's a bag of rice. Okay. How's it going, Nana? Easy work now, guys. Baby snow. See, if you have shoved it to that distance too. Pack it to that side. That's what I was doing to reduce the amount that you are pushing down. No, like so yeah, we are here clearing so the build-up can get too crazy. This area here is not bad. It's the one down there, down at the front, that's really tough to clear because we've already broken up all the ice in here. That's why it just clears better than the front one. The front one, the ice layer that melted there was way too thick and it couldn't really break everything up. So it's just tough. Yeah, guys. So back inside now. We've cleared the heap that was blocking the front of the driveway. So I think the next storm is coming in on Sunday or something. So please, we don't get anything again till then, because this thing is getting tiring, bro. Ooh, whenever you finish shoveling, your body is sweating, you're hot. It's a full-on workout. So I'm really hot right now. But yeah, I'm gonna shower. Woo, guys! Valentine's Day! Ooh! Ah! Oh my god! Oh, thank you, BJ. This is beautiful. We don't even have anywhere to put this.
No, it's
Oh, there's a note? Oh, see the note is here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They don't have Valentine card, it seems, because the card says happy anniversary. Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Daddy give you something to eat.
Yeah, give it.
Okay. The mouth is still loaded. Oh, thank you, DJ.
You're welcome. I love you.
I love you. Ah, there's a vase already. Ooh.
Don't play.
Situation. We got more snow. DJ been clearing. We got more people. Keep clearing, snow keeps falling. We keep clearing, snow keeps falling. We keep clearing, snow keeps falling, guys. It's just you're clearing an area, you move on to another area, and you see that when you come back to that first area, it's covered back again. What's the point? What's the point? Seriously. Oh. Send help. So we are going out for dinner for Valentine's Day. Oh God, this is the best we can do right now, guys, because I've never been good at doing makeup. So all it is to draw eyeliner, roll gloss, draw small eyebrow, and that's it. In Lagos, I'll probably have put foundation, but like it's like proper snowing outside right now, so I don't see the point in stressing myself. So my hair is dirty. Yeah. This is the look. This is what your girls got going on, guys. Yeah. Got my winter stuff. Hey. Oh my. I'm feeling choked. I'm feeling choked. This is cute. I think the last time I wore this was before baby. Way before baby. At least all this area is not like tight, so. And all he has entered me. With a little bit of some spankage. We're good to go. Nana is staying with Ellie. They're having their own date nights today, eh? Nana and Ellie's date night. What are you guys having for your date night tonight?
Egg. Egg and beans.
Oh, beans on egg. Oh my God, Ellie. And Ellie is here in her corporate suits today. She's been having board meetings all day. Ellie, oh yeah, show them your feet. Show them your feet. Oh my goodness, Ellie. Your outfit is so nice. Oh yeah, come hug mama. Come hug mama. Oh. Yes, look at the floor that we just shoveled. Has covered back up again. Ooh. Oh wow. Bye, Ellie Pom Pom. Bye bye. Oh my God, guys. What is the point of clearing? Oh. Ooh. It's okay. Ooh. Oh. Hello.
Hi. How are you?
Guys, we're back again. As we said, this is a snowstorm weekend and more has come back. It's just an endless cycle of shoveling snow. Bruh, Oh, I'm gonna show you guys how thick that area is now when I walk down there. So guys, here we go. So it's actually not crazy cold, just a lot of snow blowing. Look. Bruh. So we have a lot of work to do right now. Be there. Let me go and see for our neighbor's shovel. So I'm going to go and see for our neighbor's
You're gonna
shovel.
what?
See for our neighbor's shovel.
You're gonna borrow?
Okay. Yeah, okay. We're shoveling on here to pack it over there because before we can clear all this one, it's going to be way too much snow to even be able to have here because look how high we got in here. So might as well dump in that area. Situation is getting out of hand, people. Look at this. Let me turn the camera the other way. First of all, you see, say this swing, I've lost. It's gone. Look at this. Look at where this snow is coming up to. Bearing in mind that there are steps that lead you down into the garden. Yeah? For the side that we do. Look. Look at how high up the snow has come. Bruh. Bruh. See Ellie. Let Ellie stand up first. Let's see what this snow is in the back of this house. But if you're here, that one that's chest too. This area in our chest. So yeah guys, this is what it's looking like over here. This is insane. So this is what this whole video has been about. The battles of winter. Battles of shoveling and clearing. Let's just see some people out front quickly. Because we've done our own shift. We done. See this family here? There's so much snow that they've even piled the snow, like covering the pathway. So the pathway is completely blocked now. There's no way to walk past there. I mean, if you see ours is this little dip here, but we were packing like all the snow to this area here from the porch so as to not like fully cover the path. But they don't have anywhere else to put theirs because this is like a joint unit of all these houses running all the way down, so they don't have, you know, breakups like ours here in between the houses for them to dump snow. So they have to just block the path. Yeah, it's madness, and the snow is still coming down. Anyways, that is it for this vlog, guys. If you've followed the struggles, this is like, obviously this is Sunday, this started Wednesday night, so Thursday when we got up, that's when we saw everywhere was covered. So since Thursday we have been battling to clear up all this stuff. But yeah, I just had to show you guys what we're going through right now, and obviously it's Valentine's Day. So I don't know if I have, you know, other viewers in Canada, like what areas you are in Canada, like what province. Let me know down in the comment section how you guys, your area is coping. I know I've heard like from our family members in Alberta, in Lethbridge, they're not really getting hit that much this year with like snow. Obviously their temperatures are still crazy low there, but their snow isn't crazy intense like that. So they haven't been getting hit with that much snow. But apparently ours is bad right now because there's a snowstorm around this whole Ontario, New York, Quebec area. So for this like throughout the weekend and stuff. I think it's even going to like Tuesday. So it's because of this snowstorm that it's really intense right now. Yes, we've been receiving snow, we've been shoveling, clearing, simple, but this one is just a lot back to back. It's just so hard to get through. But yeah, let me know in the comment section what province you guys are in and how you've been faring this winter, and if you've been having crazy amounts of snow that you've had to clear, and what are you using. Is it just your shovel method, or are you guys, you know, have you gotten like the snow thrower / blower machines? Because I feel like that's the only way to go, to be using machine, because this shoveling is back breaking. Ellie, back breaking workouts, and you're drenched. After you're finished shoveling, you're drenched. So let me know in the comment section what you guys thought about this video, what you guys are doing in your winter to survive, and how you're clearing up all this stuff. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, once again, comment, subscribe, hit that notification button so you can get notified when the next videos are coming out. And hope you guys have a nice day / week / you know, and we'll see you guys next time.